I'm going to create a web page now that's going to take the Discover Peggy videos and create a page out of it. So right now I'm on a list here, and I have a list that it's companies that support hockey, and I created a shortcut previously, and I really haven't shown you how to do that, but basically to get quickly around Listi, you can do it with these shortcuts, and that just happens to mean companies that support hockey. And so here's some companies that support hockey, just some of the things. There's a to Z link here, and if I'm looking for Discover, I could actually press D, and Discover card comes up here. Now if I want to create a brand new page, a new list out of this particular item, I can press N for new, a new list. And now I have a blank list here. And now I'm going to want to find, since I want to add the Peggy videos, one of the things that usually with videos you have to use the comment section and not the list section. So I'm going to click on Edit List Comment, and we're now able to edit the comment, but I have to go to YouTube. And I'm going to search on Discover Peggy hockey commercials. Okay, so the first one I have here is this Patrick Kane. I'm going to go through each of them. I'm going to pause that there. Now you go to the Share button, and you want to click the Embed button, and it highlights this piece of code, so I'm going to copy it to my clipboard by pressing Control-C, and I'm going to go back to my page, and then I'm going to paste it in with Control-V. And it pastes all this code in, and that's going to paste in the video. So I'm going to update it, and it's blank. For some reason you have to press F5 to refresh the page, and the video should show up, and here it is. The video is a little bit too big for the page, so I'm going to adjust the size. So I'm going to go to Edit List Comment, and I can see here it's 853 by 480. So I'm going to actually go back to YouTube and get a smaller size. And I have this one selected. I'm going to go for that one. Control-C again. Go back to my comment, and I'm going to have to erase this here. And I'm going to Control-V, paste it in, and update it. And again, you need to press F5 to refresh. And here, that's a little bit of nicer size. And there's Patrick Kane. Okay, now we add another one. I'm going to go back in there. We're going to press Return here, and we'll do Return again to add some space. And let's go back to that YouTube page, and we're going to go back. And here's the one, the Tim Thomas one. So we'll click that one. Okay, and I'll pause that, and we can go to, again, Share, Embed. I got the small size again. I'm already selected. I press Control-C to copy. I go back to Edit Comment, and I do Control-V to paste it in. Listi. We'll update this. And now we should have two videos. And again, I have to refresh by pressing F5. And here's the two videos. Now if I want to make this public, I click the public checkbox, and if I want to change the name of this, instead of Discover Card, since I want to tweet this, I'm going to change it to I love the Peggy commercials. I'll put NHL Stanley Cup, and I'll change this. So I've just changed the list name. Here's the two. And this is public now. Now to tweet it, all I have to do is type in tweet. There's a link on the left which you don't see right now because I have that hidden. And I press tweet. And it comes up, and it's really meant for lists, so the text isn't perfect, so you have to get rid of this added. Typically, if you want to add an item to a list, I can tweet added blah 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 to the list. So I'm going to change it to this, and this is what the tweet's going to look like. So I press tweet, and Twitter comes up, and if I look at my tweets, you can see here's the I Love Peggy commercial, and this is what a person sees, and so I'll click the link, and you see it's the Twitter shortcut, and up comes the videos in Listi.net. And that's how you could create some content and tweet it via Listi.